Mm-hmm.
You're making a video?
Mm-hmm.
England. Sorry, I'm kind of hyper. But yeah. Here. If you're gonna do a video, you gotta hold it up like this. Like, yeah. I got the penguin. So, Kristen. Just gonna hang on me like that?
I'm eating chocolate. Leave me alone.
Okay.
Anthony here.
Oh yeah, oh your boyfriend was here. She loves you, Daniel.
She's not wrong, I do love her.
Ow, you just hit my ball.
Well, at least it's not bleeding anymore.
I'm on this side, actually. You hit it up against your shoulder. Asha. It's okay, though.
Otherwise you would have been screaming in pain.
Well, no, because it's mostly healed. It's just the top of it's a little bit tender still, but it'll be okay because by December it should be healed. High five. But Kristen. Close up. So.
You're gonna follow me, aren't you?
Yes, we're going to stalk you.
Like
And the kitty out in the wild.
like a weird stalker.
The leopard.
Sister shop.
Uh-oh.
And having breakfast.
You're just going to curl up in a little ball? Bye, bye. Well, I say bye-bye.
No!
Bye.
It's my camera! I should have been the one to say bye-bye.
We'll say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.